This is the Amtrak train database system, and this is Query1 for this system. And what we're doing in this query is we are selecting a itinerary for a specific customer on either a specific date or a specific range of dates. How we do this is we join the route table with the station table on departure station equals station code, and then a second join on arrival station equals station code. And what this does is just rather than listing on an itinerary the station code, we're able to list the city. We then join this route on to the actual route on route ID, and where we select these entries is where we take an inner join and we join reservation route to reservation on reservation ID, and we do this where there is a specific customer ID. So what we're doing is we're just limiting these actual route entries to the actual routes that contain a specific customer. So if you look at the actual query, we're selecting these values where the customer ID equals 1 for this first example, and where the date is between the 1st of July and the 1st of August. So we're getting an itinerary for customer 1 for the month of July. So if we run this query, what we see is the customer is going to be traveling from Kansas to St. Louis starting at 1 a.m., from St. Louis to Bloomington starting at 3:30 a.m., from Bloomington to Chicago starting at 5:10 a.m., and from Chicago to Madison starting at 3:30 or 7:30 a.m. The second example we have is we select where the customer is equal to 2 and where the date is the 11th of July 2013. And if we go down and look at this result, all we have is a single trip for that customer on that date, and it is from Bloomington to Chicago starting at 5:10 a.m.